Hi friends, welcome back to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today we are going to discuss about VPC. So today we will try one scenario how to create our own VPC. So for example, this is not an example, all the companies are following the same thing. So they will not use any default VPCs due to security reasons. They will create their own VPCs. So they are creating public and private VPC also, like they are whatever their requirement they are following that public. If you are providing internet, they are allowing the internet, and if they want to restrict the internet, they are using private subnets. So like that companies are following. So same today we will follow, like we will try one scenario. So we will also create public subnets and private subnets, and we will install the servers, EC2 servers, and we can deploy a sample application. We will try how to expose that outside. Both we can try both private and public, and we will try it how to expose it outside. That is the scenario. So here is the steps are there. So like see, we will follow this documentation. I will share the steps also. Like we are following, this is the documentation. See, here is the step 1, creating the VPC, and step 2, create the subnets, and step 3, create the internet gateway, step 4, public route tables, and step 5, NAT gateway, private subnets. So we will follow all the steps, then I think it will, everyone will understand better. So without any delay, let me log in my AWS. Okay, this is my AWS. Cancel everything. So go to VPC, open the VPC. Our first step is create the VPC, right? Create the VPC and VPC name demo VPC, we can use it. Go to VPCs. This is the default VPC, and these are the subnets also. So we will not use any default VPCs. So let me create new VPC. So here there is a two methods. One is the, if you want to create the manually, you can, 1 minute. If you want to create the VPC, you can. If you want to create the VPC manually, you can create it. If you want to like create everything in one chart, like see, you can see VPC, subnets, route tables, network connections. If you want to create everything in one chart, you can create it using VPC and more. So like for learning purpose, for better understanding, we can go for the VPC only. So just create the demo VPC. IPv4 I am using, CIDR range I am using 10.0.0.0/16. This is I am using. Okay. So no, IPv6 I am not using. IPv4 only we are using. So 65,000 something IPs are allowing /16. So if you want to understand better CIDR, no, we will create one more video. I think our like in our channel I have already video, like I have already uploaded. You can go through there. Otherwise we will create one video. Okay. Let me create the VPC. Okay, once VPC is created, go to the subnets, create the subnets. You can select your VPC and CIDR, automatically it's generated. Here now you like just understand better here, like please listen carefully, so then you will understand how we are creating private and public subnets. So first we can create the public subnet, demo public subnet. Subnet 1 we can create. So every subnet we need to create 2, right? That's why we will give it the naming convention. So I'm selected 1A availability zone. So each region we have the multiple availability zones here, you can see. So I'm just selecting 1A. So CIDR range, it is coming automatically. Here you can understand carefully 10.0.0.0/24. So how many IPs are coming? 256 IPs are coming. I'm just allowing 256 IPs are allowing. So this is sufficient for me, my sample projects. So if you want to do more, you can allow it. Okay. So we can create all the subnet in one chart. So I'm adding one more subnet in below. Create subnet to same availability zone 1B, you can add same 10.0.1.0/24. See, again 256 IPs are allowing. So next, add private subnets. 2 public subnets are done. Now add the private subnet. Private subnet availability 1A you can select, and here just change it. Instead of 1 you can change that to 2. Okay, 256 IPs are allowing. Add one more. Remove private subnet to 1B. Okay, and copy these IPs. Okay, fine. I think we have created all 4 subnets. Just create the subnet. Creating 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Okay, all 4 subnets are created. Now go to Internet Gateway. Create the Internet Gateway. You can follow the this also. Step 3, create the Internet Gateway. Great. Okay. Create the Internet Gateway. Demo Internet Gateway. And just create it. So attach the VPC. Attach our demo VPC. Attach that VPC. Okay. Till now I think everyone will understand, right? What we done, we have created VPC and we have created 4 subnets, private, 2 public and 2 private, and we have created the internet gateway and we have attached our internet gateway to our VPC, demo VPC. Okay, after creating action we go to VPT, select the demo VPC. Okay, we have attached till here. Now we can go for the route table. Step number 4, copy this name, go to the route table, create the route table, select the VPC, now create it. So once we create the VPC, what is the next step? Created VPC, edit the route tables, edit the route table, add one more route and allow that all traffics and internet gateway, select our internet gateway. That's it. So we have allowed everything and select the internet gateway and save it. Now what we can do, again go to the action, edit the subnet authorization. You need to first allow 2 public subnets. Where is the public 1 and public 2? Just associate that subnets into the route table. So that means our internet gateway will provide that routing to our public subnets. Okay, once the associate is done public subnets, now create the NAT gateway for private subnets. So how private subnet will take the internet action? So through via internet gateway and NAT gateway and route tables. So it will touch everything now. Just go to that NAT gateway, create the NAT gateway, take the name there only, create the NAT gateway elastic. First we need to allow that elastic IP allocation also. I will show you allocate not use elastic IP. Then go to NAT gateway. Okay, before going that we can allow that first. Here you can see, here it will show, it will ask that, that's why it's asking before only. Elastic IPs. Allocate elastic IPs US1 and allocate it. Once you allocate, it will create one here. See, these IPs are allocating. Now again go to the VPC. Go to the VPC again, where we are in NAT gateway. Go to the NAT gateways, create the NAT gateway. Now paste that name demo NAT. Select public subnet only. You can see here, select the one of the public subnet only. So why we are selecting public subnet? Through NAT gateway we are providing the internet, right? So subnet demo public subnet 1. Okay, this is our subnets only, right? Demo public subnet 1. Okay, public, and allocate that elastic IPs whatever we allocated. So create the NAT gateway. Okay, once NAT gateway will create, so create the NAT gateway and create the private route table. So go to the route tables and create the private route tables. In that route table we are allocating to our NAT gateway. Go to the route tables again. So previously we created public, right? Now what they are asking, create the private route table. Okay, create, take the name demo private route table VPC. You can select it and create it. Once you create, again you need to edit it, right? So click that and add the routes. Again you need to add the routes. In that time we need to select our NAT gateway. Go to edit the routes. Previously how we added, we provided internet action and we added the internet gateway previously in public subnet. Now private subnet, what we can add? NAT gateway. Whatever we create a NAT gateway, that we are allowing here. Okay, next what is the steps? Till here it is done. And associate, we need to associate that to private subnets. So previously what we done, to public subnets we have associated. So see, associate the public subnet. Now what we need to do, to private subnet we need to associate. Go to again, go to the action, create the association, private subnet, save the association. Okay, till here it is done. This steps is optional, so if you want to like specific tags, you can use the tags for recommendation, but we will not go for this. As of now our requirement is done, so go to that. Now what we can do, we can create, you just see everything. So VPC is there, subnets are there, route table, two route tables are there, public and privates, internet gateway is there, and NAT gateway is there. Okay, concept is this. So now we can see how that internet traffic is routing to our EC2 servers. Launch that EC2 demo public server. So this is public server. So first we will try public server. Everything is done. I am selecting my existing key pair only. I just now edit here. Select our demo VPC and select that public first. Demo public subnet 1. Demo public subnet 1. Elastic IC you need to enable. For public IP we require public IP. So auto it will not assign auto. So we will generate. We will add that in subnet level if you want to create the auto assign IP. So if you want to enable manually, you can try it. I am just selecting existing security group. I don't want to create again. So I think it's got removed. Okay. Let me create one more. Create the security group. You can add the security groups. Already 22 is open. So now uh, we are deploying our Nginx site. So allow that 80 port. So remaining everything is same. Let me launch. Okay, my server is created. We can wait for till running stage. We can wait for till running state. Once this server is running, what we can do, we can test it. Internet is providing properly or not in public subnet. So this is the public subnet we have assigned, right? Let's see. Okay, our server is running. Let me connect this server, copy IP, go to SSH, EC2-user, go to advanced, private key, AWS demo, pimp key, okay. Okay, I am able to connect it successfully. So here one point I miss, actually public subnet, whatever public subnet is using servers now, that servers only public IP will create, that servers only we are able to connect. So whatever we are using private subnets, that server we will not able to connect in manually. So private subnet will not allow anything in outside. So that's why private subnets only we can access, like how we can provide the internet, that I will show you once I will connect to the SSH through SSH in the public subnet, sorry public subnet EC2, and that we can install it. But public IP will not generate into the private subnet, whatever private subnet we are using server, there public IP will not generate, we will not able to connect, we will not able to check in outside. So public subnet we are using front end and web servers like that. Private subnet where we are using back end database in our company level. Okay, now I am able to connect it. Let me check internet is there or not. Install Nginx, we can install it first. So I am able to install successfully. So that means internet is providing properly. Systemctl status nginx. We can check exposing outside also. We will try this nginx page. We can see outside or not. I'm just started. Just check the curl request. Maybe localhost 80. Okay, I'm getting nginx page. Let me check. Copy this IP and colon 80. If we are accessing here, then we are able to access open http. See, our nginx page is coming. So that means it's properly providing the internet in public subnet. Now what we can do, let me create the private subnet. Using private subnet we can create one more server. Demo private subnet server we can create. Okay, AWS demo, select the existing only as widget1. So sorry, we need to edit here, right? Create demovpc, select private subnet 1 and existing one more. Sorry, existing is this and everything is fine. Remaining everything is fine. Let me launch. This is we attached into the private subnet. Here we can see private IP will not come. If you want to assign also, no, sorry, if you want to if you are assigning also, public IP will not able to connect. So but how we can connect using private IP, that I will show you. Via SSH we will connect. So once it is running, then we can connect and will install and we'll check internet is providing or not in internet providing or not in NAT gateway. So private subnet via NAT gateway internet will providing, so that we are testing. So my server is running. We can connect. We have that command, SSH command in document. You just go there, copy that private IP. AWS demo is my key pair. Actually that key pair is required here. Let me copy key pair. AWS demo key pair. Okay, my key pair uploaded successfully. Let me copy inside root, exit. So here is there sudo copy-r AWS demo /root. So I have copied successfully in root. Shift to root again. Give that permissions. We required 400 and 600. So read write permissions. So I have provided the read permission only. Sorry, I have done that read permission only. Now use this command and connect it. Let me give s. See, I have added permanently 10.0.224. Previously, what is the IP? Our IP is 147. After SSH, it is coming to private server. So here we can check sudo su. If you want to just check, use the ping and google google.com www. Just enter. See, our internet is providing NAT gateway. So here also we can try installing. So but install nginx, but we will not explore expose in outside. So using curl we will check the output. Let's see. So internet is there, so it's installed. Let me start. Is systemctl status nginx desktop. You just start it. Start. Okay. So nginx is running. Just check curl -kv local host :80. Okay. Output also coming 200 success. So this is how we will create our own VPCs and we will provide that internet, and using private subnet, using NAT gateway also we are providing the internet. So that's it guys, today class. Once your session is done, you can delete everything. So actually VPC is free, but NAT gateway is there. It's hourly chargeable. Very dangerous. You can delete it. Okay. Okay, that's it guys, today class. We will continue tomorrow for new topic. Thanks all. Bye.